Hi, I'm Jim Zwag from the Davey Tree Expert Company, and today we're talking trees. A strong, vibrant tree starts with a healthy foundation. But things like soil compaction, a lack of nutrients, or improper planting can threaten that healthy foundation and cause long-term problems for your tree. Today I'm joined by one of our local experts, ISA certified arborist Rob Dahlman, to talk more about how air excavation can help us uncover problems happening in the soil. So Rob, what do we need to know?
Thanks, Jim. While services like root collar excavation and vertical mulching may seem complex, there are many proven benefits to pneumatic air tools. Let's walk through what they can do for your property. When visiting a property, there are a few indications that your tree may need the help of our air excavation tools. The first is soil compaction. Vertical mulching is a great treatment for trees suffering from compaction. During this service, our certified arborist will drill holes into the soil with compressed air and backfill them with fertilizer and soil amendments, like compost or biochar. By breaking up soil and introducing organic material, your trees will begin to receive the right amount of air, water, and nutrients. This results in stronger, deeper roots, enhanced growth, and fewer pests and disease issues for the tree. Next, if we notice a tree is planted incorrectly, we may suggest root collar excavation. The tree's root collar delivers oxygen, water, and nutrients to your tree. It should be visible when planted. If it ends up covered by soil or mulch, it can cause poor growth and impact the overall health of the tree. Root collar excavation allows us to remove everything surrounding the tree's trunk. Once we do that, we can check for signs of girdling roots, which wrap around the tree and strangle it. We'll also check for signs of decay, which can result from trapped moisture. Pneumatic air tools allow us to uncover the roots and trunk flare with minimal to no damage. Fixing these problems and adding beneficial amendments directly to the soil will allow for healthier roots and more resilient trees.
Thanks, Rob. This technology should only be used by trained experts, so contact your local professional arborist to learn more. As always, thanks for talking trees.